everyone, welcome to this week's weekly update. This week I want to talk to you about the pneumatic fittings range available from Pneumatics Group. They can be found in section 6 of the Flowmax catalogue or flowmax.ie. So today I want to show you just some of the examples of the fittings available, like the typical nickel plated brass fitting with the metal body, metal collar, available with BSP threads, either tapered or parallel. All our tapered threads have the PTFE spray, so for going into your conventional BSP valves, cylinders, even PT. Useful as well, we also have a range of small studs with a built-in check valve, so if you're removing a tubing from say a cylinder and you're not getting that constant air blowing out, built-in check valve so the air shuts off. I then move on to our very competitive, very popular grey line range of push-in fittings. Very similar to one of our competitors, but really well priced. Full range, studs, elbows, T's, joiners from 4mm right up to 16mm in BSP threads. What I do like about these fittings, like the metalwork pneumatic ones, which I'll come on to now shortly, inside they have an Allen key slot, so for all them tight spaces, maybe you have them on a manifold or in a bank of valves, there's an Allen key slot inside all the studs. I then move on to the very popular and distinct, because of the orange colour, metalwork pneumatic push-in fittings. BSP threads, again tapered and parallel, with the O-ring as standard captivated O-ring, and the tapered threads have a PTFE spray. Useful as well if I have a piece of tubing in between. I've got a little cheesehead slot there, so I can get a screwdriver and release it if I can't get the fingers in to pull back the collar and release the tubing. Swivel elbows, your conventional swivel elbow. Swivel elbow is used for tightening down onto a cylinder where you want to come into it at an angle. They're not meant for that rotary movement. So the solution there is I have a range of rotary fittings with a bearing inside. So maybe on a robot head or a cylinder or a slide table and so on, but a bearing inside for that rotary movement. Also available from Pneumatics is the John Guest range of metric all plastic fittings. So plastic threads, plastic bodies, both in metric, the black ones, and the grey ones are imperial, so quarter OD, 3/8 OD and so on, right up to 1/2 inch OD, available from stock. Metalwork Pneumatic also have a large range of food grade fittings. So your conventional metal fitting, quite popular in the food industry, on lines in the food applications. But when you're using caustic washdown or wet moist areas, the nickel plating on the body tends to flake. So Metalwork Pneumatic have an NSF approved body with an FDA approved O-ring, food grade range of push-in fittings from 4mm, 6mm, 8mm and so on. So available from stock. We've got all stainless steel fittings if need be with 5-ton seals. I've also got high pressure fittings with metric threads, M6, M8, metric tubing, 4, 6, restricted on the amount of tubes, but available, 150 bar. I have a full range available. I've got wall charts available for your workshops or your engineering stores. They can all be found, as I said earlier, section 6 of the Flowmax catalogue or flowmax.ie, or you can simply call the sales team on 0145 68 111. Thank you.